Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am here today with another tutorial. I'm going to be showing you a quick run through about how I get this everyday look. So if you want to stay tuned to see, keep on watching. As you can see, I'm starting off by parting my hair. Don't mind that product in my hand. I was a little overzealous and forgot to part before I did this. Now, I personally don't like my parts to be perfect because frankly I'll be here all day if I tried. So just general splitting the hair in half horizontally and vertically. Now I am going to split this section into even smaller sections, but for now I'm just taking my detangling spray and running it through the larger section, and then I'm going to take my leave-in conditioner and kind of put that all over the outside, and then I'm going to just wrap it up and put it off to the side as I move on to the next section and do the same thing on the other side. Now that I've kind of cleaned up my part a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and split the section again horizontally so that there's a smaller section in the front and a smaller section in the back, and that's going to end up being our 4 kind of space bun bantu knot type situations. Okay, now I'm taking some setting lotion and I just had it in a foaming pump from a previous product. I just saved the bottle, so that's why it's kind of in foaming texture instead of how you normally see setting lotion. And I'm just running that through my hair, trying to make sure that it coats every strand so I can get some good defined individual curls. Also, just a quick side note, I am applying Eco Styler right here, but a quick side note, I did dilute the setting lotion. I do not use setting lotion at its strongest form. I always add water to mine. I'm pretty sure I have a good amount of water in this one. It's more just to add some hold to see my curls, not necessarily to set the whole hairstyle in place. Next, I'm just going to take a rubber band and make a little section, and eventually it'll get wrapped up into the little buns. Same thing here, we're just going to add some Eco Styler gel around the edges, setting lotion through the middle, and then wrap that bad boy up in a rubber band. Alright, so it's just a good rinse and repeat for the other side, and I'll be back to you with both sides done. Alrighty, so now that both sides are done, I'm just going to go ahead and start the Bantu knotting space bun process. So I just twist the hair around itself, and then I wrap it again downwards, and then I just get another rubber band. I like to make sure my ends are tucked in. That's personal preference, and I just take another rubber band and secure it. And it's just a rinse and repeat on the other side. Alright, moving on to the back section, I'm just spraying some conditioner and water on my hair to revive it and add some moisture back into it, because by the time I finished with the front, the back was kind of dried out. Now, dividing the back section into smaller sections, I'm going to take some leave-in conditioner and run it through each section. I'm going to then detangle and then add some of that setting lotion all over the hair. Alrighty, so I am going to end up adding like hairspray at the end to kind of give everything some extra hold. A great way around using all of these products is to just use some mousse. That'll be the equivalent of what would be the diluted setting lotion and the hairspray at the end, and any other type of holding products I use. But I don't like that I can't control how much hold the mousse has. And I haven't found one that doesn't completely dry out my hair. So with using the setting lotion, I can control how much water is in it, and the hairspray I can control where and how much I spray. So this is my preferred method, but you're free to use whatever you want. Mousse also works too. And now that I've completed both sides, I'm just setting that hair into however I'm going to want it, however I'm going to wear it. Because pretty much how the setting lotion keeps it, it's how it's going to stay. It'll definitely not hold as long, and it'll definitely be looser than if you use something with more hold. But it usually holds pretty well, so that's why I'm just making sure it's shaped and how I like it, because how it is now is how it's pretty much going to stay. Now I'm just getting these edges together, adding some edge control just to make sure that everything's slicked down around the sides and there's no little stray hairs that the gel may not have gotten. And just to make sure that the space buns don't get frizzy fast, I'm just going to put them down with some setting lotion and then spray some hairspray on it, something real light and simple. Alright guys, this is it. This is the final look. I know it seemed like a lot of product, but I wear this for days. I can pretty much pull this off for about a week. And because of the way it's situated on my hair, I don't even need a scarf. Last but not least, I'm just spraying this braid sheen in my hair. Honestly, this is supposed to be like some super moisturizing braid sheen, and I know my parts are gonna get real itchy, so before I start to put anything heavy on my hair, I just like to go ahead and use this because it feels pretty good on the scalp and it keeps the parts from itching pretty fast. So thanks guys for watching so much. I hope you have a good one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.